the recurrent, persistent, and constitutional harassment of opposition leaders, including our founder president, retired Colonel Dr. Kizza Besigye, who is currently in prison. We are not happy because of the way he was arrested, mistreated, and not given the conducive atmosphere within which rights, human rights, or people who are deemed to be in conflict with the law will be defended. You remember very well he was taken to the military court martial against the law, against the practice that civilians will not be tried in the military court martial, and in spite of the fact that the courts of law of Uganda at the highest level ruled that civilians will not be tried in the courts of law, the NRM government, in the military court martial, civilians will not be tried in the military court martial, but they should go to the civilian courts. President Museveni, General Museveni Yoweri, with his militancy, militaritist behavior, came to work round and round to circumvent the ruling of the Supreme Court. The Chief Justice, our own brother, Honorable Owin Jolo, became sharply blamed by Museveni, and again President Museveni and his team started mobilizing NRM MPs to go for a caucus meeting and to make some proposals to amend the UPDF Act 2005, and then to amend also the Constitution so that they will still continue with the same act of trying civilians in the court of law. We as FDC stood up and said, no, we cannot continue watching these things lying down. That was the basis for the demonstration, the peaceful demonstration which was organized in Soroti City, whereupon the president of the party, Engineer Patrick Kamuri Atogoy, plus our honorable members of parliament and the supporters and leaders of the FDC were arrested. They were taken to court after, and the result is that today bail has been granted to them, but they were still processing the papers to get out. So